Hey everybody, it's Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and I'm here with this month's box from Bespoke Post, which is July 2022. And this, the name of this box is Forge. It's a Damascus Steel Knife and Leather Sheath. So, you know, it could work if you're, I know a lot of people who travel like to camp, so, you know, but it's came in this little box. So we're going to unbox it today. I'm really excited because the picture of it looks really amazing. So, not a huge knife person. I also don't camp all that much, but I do know something like this would be great for people who do camp. So I don't know, maybe I should start camping with all this cool adventure stuff I'm getting. Anyways, we opened it up, and this is the picture. Look how beautiful it is. I mean, it just with the nice design on it and this wooden handle. And it says right here, sometimes beauty and utility go hand in hand. So, yeah. And it comes in this nice plastic right here. So let's open it right now. Put this box away. And unwrap it. And yeah, here it is. B&B knife. Gives you knife care. Let's put this out of the way. And then take it out. I'm actually really excited about this. I'm telling you, sometimes Bespoke gives me some really cool stuff that I really never thought I'd buy. But then when it shows up, I definitely think I'm going to use it. So, so here's the knife. It's actually not that big, which is kind of nice. I'm going to have to cut it open here. Hold on. I always have to be careful with this stuff. So let's unwrap it here. Still wrapped. I mean, they definitely wrapped this thing good. So we'll take this little thing off for now. Ooh, this thing looks very sharp. I better be careful opening it. Hold on. I'm gonna go slow, and I'm gonna do the edge that's not, you know, sharp. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Can you see that? Look at that, all that detail. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it's very beautiful. And then I'm just gonna put this back on for now so I don't hurt myself. So let's put that back on for now. And let's do the sheath, which I can't get to. I have to cut it here. Well, yeah, it's nice. I could probably even use this on set because I work a lot, but definitely good for camping. So I'll put it in my travel kit for that. But look how beautiful it is. And a nice little belt loop right here. Put it through your belt. Opening right there. Let's just see how the knife goes going in. Yeah, so it just sits there. Quite beautiful. Definitely good for, I guess, for camping. I don't know. I'm not really a hunter. I don't like that, but definitely got to start doing more camping anyway, so I think this would come in very handy. So yeah, this is the July 2022 Bespoke Post month of the box, Forge, and yeah. All right, well, this is Michael Colomb with Travels with Michael, and I'll see you on your next adventure.